What's up, guys? Dodger95. Sorry for the poor audio with these headsets, but I'm just trying to make things work. So, I've been kicking around an idea for a long time on a possible pipe welding setup. So I could take two sections of pipe, tack them up, put them on the jig, and then weld them together. Well, right now, by how it looks, it's a good possibility that it's going to work. So I took a couple lengths of 3-inch pipe. Actually, I'll show you guys here since I got a section of it. So this is roughly about a foot and a couple inches long, 3-inch diameter. Pipe is that if you don't know how pipe is measured, it's actually measured on the inside diameter. So from the inside sidewall to the crossed inside sidewall. So upon making it, I used a 1 foot length of 1x1, some all thread, 5/16 thread, and some 5/16 lock nuts. I took 3-inch section off of the pipe, cut 8 tabs, folded each of the tabs in, and tack welded them together. So they're not permanently welded, they're tacked together. So these tacks could break if there's too much stress put upon them. So this is the whole setup. It is really crappy. I took 1-inch self-tappers and secured it in. This end can rotate while this end is affixed to the bench. And as you can see, that's really it. I took some I cut some small pieces from some scrap or from cut-offs, and I welded them in to essentially act as something to center the 1x1, which it's not perfect as you can tell, but for what I'm using it for, it's not like it's going to be used all too much. So one end is removable, so I can place my piece of pipe on. Granted, I do need to make longer and larger pieces and set up a little rail setup with a clamp so I can affix it further back, put my pipe on, and secure it down, which instead of it being like 3 or 4 inches into the 1x1, it needs to be able to be on like a rotating, basically needs to be a full hole drilled all the way through. And now the headset's telling me battery low. So yeah, this is just for like small little 3 to 6-inch length, something like a coupling or a small little press fit piece that'll just slip over where it's going to go and be able to be tacked or welded in, maybe even clamped in. This will probably most likely be used for exhaust pipe work, where I need to take 2 sections and join them together, which this small of it will be perfect for that, especially if it's a 1-inch pipe. I can easily take the self-tappers out, slide the pipe on, and put it all together, tack it up, and start welding around it. So really, there's improvements to be made. Anything out here that I do, there's always improvements that can be made upon what I do, how I put it together, and the materials I use. There's always going to be, like I keep saying, like a broken record, there's always going to be room for improvement.
College degree certified mechanics, there's always something that they can find that'll improve their time, improve what work they're doing to a vehicle. All the way from changing a tire to pulling a motor. Every line of work, anywhere from doctor or government official, all the way down to a simple do-it-yourselfer, there's always going to be something that they can do or find to improve the process of what they're doing. So, upon all that, yeah, it's going to be a long road for it to be perfect. So, guys, I wish you the best, and thanks for popping in.